Okay.
Yeah. So what we discussed in the previous class, guys? So
Package
what?
management and user administration.
Hmm. So package management. So why package management, guys? So why package management, guys? To install any softwares on Linux machine, we need to use the package management. Right. Guys, understood? So today so what we will discuss? Today we'll discuss about the deployment. What is that? What is that, guys? Application deployment. So application, how to deploy a application. Guys, how to deploy the application? So what is application? Application or website, website or app deployment. Guys, understood? So, so what are the requirements? So what are the requirements to deploy application? So what are the requirements to deploy application? So what are the requirements, guys? First, what we need, guys? We need a code, right? Either .jar or .var. If it is a Tomcat or something like .html. So today we will discuss about the Apache and Tomcat web servers. Okay. So second one, if you have the code, what you need a server. What servers you need? Any Linux server. Okay, whatever it may be. So in that server, what we need to do? So we need a web server. Which web server we need to install? So we are showing two web servers, Apache and Tomcat web servers. Tomcat web servers. So we will discuss about the Apache and Tomcat web servers. So for installing the Apache Tomcat web server installation and Java. For Tomcat, we need a Java. For Tomcat, we need a Java web server. Okay. So today we'll discuss about the two web servers. So what are the web servers, guys? You already know the web servers, right? So what are the web servers we have? Guys, tell me what are the web servers we have?
Apache Tomcat.
Web servers. So what are the web servers we have? So for Java related, so we need a which web server?
Tomcat.
Tomcat or JBoss. Okay. So JBoss web servers. So for HTML related, Apache web server. For PHP code for related, what is the web server? Nginx is the web server. Python, SpyPark. What is the web servers we need? SpySpark, right? So .NET, we need IaaS, right? So these are the web servers. So today we are discussing about only two web servers. What those are? These are the two web servers, Apache and Tomcat. So how we can deploy our application in the web servers? Okay. Yeah. So Apache web server. What is that, guys? Apache web server. Apache web server. So these web server packages, these web server packages, these web server packages are included by default in the CentOS base repository. CentOS base repository. So this web server is included in the CentOS based repository. Okay, but Tomcat is the third party web server. Tomcat is the third party web server. This was not included in the that packages. So we need to download it from the official Tomcat web server, and we can keep it in the /opt Tomcat. So we need to install under the OPT folder. Okay, in the OPT folder, web apps. So where we need to deploy our application? So we need to deploy our application in the web apps folder. Web apps, something like lab 6a dot jar or where, right? So how to stop and start the Tomcat web servers? To start and stop the Tomcat web server /bin. So here startup.sh. So opt Tomcat bin uh, s- stop.sh. So these are the commands to start and stop the Tomcat. Here we need to install the Java. If you want to deploy any application related to Tomcat, definitely we need to install the Java. Okay. Yeah. So here, so just install the by default, right? By default package out, system related package out. How you can install? You can install by using the m install httpd. What is the package, guys? Package is httpd package. So here, what is the package name, guys? httpd. So what is the service? Service name? Service name also httpd. Port number? Port number, what is the port number, guys? 80. What is the path, default path to deploy our application? Default path to deploy our applications. So default path to deploy our applications. Where www html. Okay. So here we need to deploy our application. For example, index.html. So what is that, guys? Index.html. Okay. So this is the default path for the Apache. So this is the default path for the Tomcat web server. So this is the third party software. So this is the system related software. So how you can stop the third party softwares? Here you can stop the third party software. But how you can stop and start the system related softwares? So what is the command? Systemctl status service name. What is that, guys? Systemctl status systemctl stop or start service name, systemctl reload service name. What are the guys? The systemctl status systemctl reload service name. So if you install as a default softwares, if you install the default softwares, so how you can start the stop the services systemctl. So if it is a third party softwares, you can install start.sh, stop.sh. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a Apache Tomcat, and this is nothing but a Tomcat. This is the Tomcat, and this is the Apache web server. So what is the package name for the Apache web server? So HTTPD. What is the package name, guys? The package name is HTTPD. Understood? Yeah, I will show you practically how to deploy a application. So something like Book My Show. What is the website, guys? The website is Book My Show. So what is the Book My Show, guys? Does anyone knows what is the Book My Show? Guys, what is Book My Show? So Book My Show is the ticket booking website, right? So how you can write this code through HTML. So HTML code for mm, Book My Show website. What is this? This is the code. So this is the code for the Book My Show website. I'm taking just html.sh, guys. Copy. Yeah. Let's open the server. Start.
Sir, you are on mute, sir.
Sorry. So Apache Web Server is the default software. These packages are available in the CentOS.base repo. So because of the Apache Web Server is included in the CentOS packages. CentOS is mirror list or a package list in the Linux. Okay. So how you can install the Apache Web Server? You can install the Apache Web Server by using package name. What is the package name, guys? Install httpd. You see, base OS. It is getting from the base OS. Okay.
Sir, if we want HTTPS 1000,
HTTPS.
yes,
Hmm?
yes, sir. Port
HTTPD
number
is the
440.
package. Okay. HTTPS, HTTP is the port numbers, protocols. Okay. The
Sir, if we
HTTPD.
want to send, if we want our application to be secure, we use HTTPS.
Very good. HTTPS. Yes, 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 yes. HTTPS is nothing but a hypertext transfer protocol secure. Okay. One second. IP address 192.168.56.123. Ninety-two dot 168.56.123. Root Red Hat. Yeah. So what is the package, guys? Now you can check rpm-qa httpd. So httpd is installed. You see, guys, how many how many packages installed? So that dependency package also installed by using minstall httpd. Okay, how to start the service? So if you install package through by default, systemctl is the service to start the services. Systemctl status httpd. So the service is in inactive. Is it starting? Is it running or dead? It's in dead. So how to start systemctl systemctl start httpd. Yeah. Now let's check status. Status is running. Okay. So now the system is now the web server is Apache web server is running. What is the default path, guys? Where www html. So this is the path here. So we need to, so what is this? Home.html. Let's see. Home.html. vi home.html. We can copy the entire code. Copy. Right. This is the code, guys. Let's save this code. Yeah, now systemctl restart httpd. Yeah, what is the IP address, guys? IP address is so 192.168.56.123. http colon double slash 192.168.168.56.123 slash home.html. I think we need to stop the firewall, guys. System itself having some firewalls. We need to stop that firewalls. Systemctl stop firewall D. Yeah, you see, guys. So this is a book my tickets, home, China flower, previous text, select movie, select category, quantity, checkout. Why it is showing this voice? Because of you did not included that CSS these images. Okay, so you did not included these images. That's the reason. Second, guys. Duplicate. Okay, now you understood, right? So this is our Book My Show website. How you can deploy Book My Website? So you can deploy your website in the which path, guys? So the path is where www.html. Guys, everyone can respond. So what is the path of our deployment? Path, guys. In which path we need to deploy our application? Guys, tell me.
Slash where
Hmm,
www
HTML.
slash html.
That's right. So now you understood how to deploy application in the through Apache web server. So now turn to how to install the Tomcat web server and how to install the Java, then how to deploy application. Okay. So these all are the third party softwares. So I'm uninstalling mremove Apache HTTPD. Okay, I'm removing HTTPD because if I don't want Apache, so I want a Java. So right, so where we need to install the third party web servers, in the OPT. Okay, so rm-rf star is nothing but a everything. Star is nothing but a we need to delete everything. Okay, now let's go to Apache Tomcat 9 download. So tar.gz. Okay, so we can copy this link address wget right ls tar dot xvf or xvz Apache Tomcat. Okay, tar tar xvf Apache command not found. Install tar. Okay, yeah, yeah. This is Apache rm-rf Apache dot tar dot gz. I'm removing this. So move Apache Tomcat to Tomcat. Okay. Okay. Now Tomcat. CD Tomcat. Go to the Tomcat. So what are the files? Bin files. CD bin. The bin shutdown.sh, startup.sh, versions.sh. Okay. So I don't want to start now. Let's go to CD web apps. So in the web apps, we need to put the file. So dot tara data jar files. Okay. So before that, we need to install the install Java. So then only it will start the Tomcat. Okay, so it's installed. Java is installed. Okay, so now let's go to opt tomcat, then start the tomcat. Okay, go to the bin. So how you can start the .sh files? What is .sh? So .sh is nothing but a script. .java is a Java. So .py is a Python. .php is a PHP. .sh is nothing but a .script file. How you can start that? How you can run that .script file? So ./start .sh. Okay. So how to Tomcat is started. So how to check if the Tomcat is started or not? ps-f f pipe grep -i tomcat. Yeah, Tomcat is running. The Tomcat is running. So via root user, you started a Tomcat as a root user, the PID of the Tomcat. Okay. So now Tomcat is running. I want to what we need. So we install the Tomcat and we started the Tomcat. We installed Java Tomcat and we started the Tomcat. Then so we need to download the jar or var file. Okay. So simple var jar. Okay. Lab lab6a dot jar file download. Copy link address. Duplicate. Not been right. cd web apps dot / duplicate. Yeah, so json dot simple dot jar, right? Let's see. 8080. Yeah, so this is the Apache Tomcat. This is the web server. So what is that JSON? I don't know exactly what is the type of. Yeah, this is the sample where, so just this is the var file, copy link address, rm-rf json, right, wget, unless, yeah, lab6a.var rjar downloaded, right? So now, so how you can, so select the lab6a.var, then http localhost /6a lab6a slash lab6a. Lab6a. You see? So this is the Tomcat website. So if you give the input parameters, yeah, it will go to the another page. Age, ink, myop, no, tier portrait, reduced, classify. Right? These are the three web pages. This is the one web page. This is the second web page. This is the third web page. Okay. So this is the Tomcat website. So Tomcat Lab 6A website. So before we deployed the Apache Tomcat website. Guys, understood? Guys, understood?
Sir, sir, if we give the loopback IP also, we'll get the same page.
Uh-huh.
మనం లూప్ బ్యాక్ ఐపీ ఇచ్చిన మనకి సేమ్ పేజ్ వస్తుంది సార్.
Which one?
లూప్ బ్యాక్ ఐపీ
Loopback
127.0
app. Yeah. What is the IP address of the loopback?
0.0.1.
127.0.0.1. Now
Yes, sir.
it is not
Remove all this, sir. Lab 6.
remove.
Remove.
It is not getting right. So if we declare in the loopback address vi/etc host, here we specified right 127.0.0 localhost. So 127 is nothing but a localhost. If you give the localhost also, we'll get the IP address. http://localhost. So localhost, in the host, we need to provide the host IP address. Okay. That's why it's not coming. So http:// so 192.168.26.123 :8080 /labs. Guys, understood? Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why we are using this IP address? Instead of IP address, we can give the host name also. We can give the host name also. So what is the host name and cache names? So what is that? That is a DNS. What that is? That is nothing but a DNS. DNS. What is DNS? What is DNS? Domain naming service. So domain naming service is nothing but a, so IP address to host name to IP address. So now we are connecting this. Now we are connecting this to IP address. Now we are connecting this to IP address. So end user will not remember the IP address. So we need to convert a cache name called as a DNS name. Guys, understood? ఎస్ లక్ష్మి గారు
సార్
అర్థమైందా? ఉమ్,
కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంది సార్, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి వీడియో చూడాలి నేను.
చూడండి. ఏం లేదు, రోజు డిప్లాయ్మెంట్స్ అవన్నీ ఇప్పుడు కొత్త కొత్త ఫీచర్స్ అవన్నీ వస్తూ ఉన్నాయి కదా.
ఆ,
కొత్త కొత్త ఫీచర్స్ అవన్నీ సో మామూలుగా డిప్లై చేసేది ఇక్కడ డిప్లై చేస్తారు, ఈ కోడ్ లో డిప్లై ఇక్కడ ఈ పాత్ లో డిప్లై చేస్తారు.
ఓకే.
ఎక్కడున్నారు మీరు? బయట ఉన్నారా?
లేదు సార్, ఇంట్లో ఉన్న బాల్కనీలో కూర్చొని సిగ్నల్
ఓకే ఓకే
సరిపోలేదు.
ఓకే ఓకే. సో మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రికార్డింగ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి. మీకు ఫస్ట్ ప్యాకేజ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ రావాలి. సో మీకు
ఓకే.
యతీష్ని ఇస్తే ఇన్ని రోజులు ఖాళీగా ఉన్నారు కదా అండి. సతీష్తో మాట్లాడి యతీష్ నుంచి మీరు ఆ ప్యాకేజ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ నేర్చుకోండి ఒకసారి. సతీష్ ఈజ్ యువర్ మెంటర్ టు లెర్న్ ద లైనక్స్. ఓకే, లైనక్స్లో ఏ డౌట్ వచ్చినా యతీష్తో మాట్లాడండి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
సో ఈవినింగ్ 1 hour తీసుకుంటాను, క్లౌడ్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. సో ప్రేమ్ నీ క్లాస్ ఉంది కదా 2 o'clockకి.
ఎస్ సార్.
సో క్లాస్ అయిపోయాక రా, ఈవినింగ్ ఎప్పుడు చెప్పుకుందామండి, మీకు ఎప్పుడు ఫ్రీ ఉంటారు లక్ష్మి గారు?
5 నుంచి ఎప్పుడైనా ఓకే సార్, మీకు
ఓకే.
కాల్స్ ఉంటే 5 to 6.
సరే. సో నేను ప్రేమ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ రా నువ్వు. సో యతీష్తో ప్యాకేజ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ చెప్పించుకో. ఓకేనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
సరే గైస్.
ఓకే.
సో సో ఈవినింగ్ విల్ టీచ్ యూ ద క్లౌడ్, స్టార్ట్ ద క్లౌడ్.
ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.